Go.
Hello guys, hello sir. Natin problem about sa electric flux density. Ang question is, a point charge of 30 nanocoulombs is located at the origin while plane is y equals 3 carries charge 10 nanocoulombs over meter cube. So find D at 0, 4, and 3. Kani siya is location na siya x, y, and z. So ang pinakauna na to, mag-let D ta, let D na atay charge, point charge plus line charge rho is equal sana is Q over pi r squared AR plus rho s over 2 AN, where ang imuhang r is equals to 0 squared plus 4 squared plus 3 squared. Total na is 5. So na itong pumagi kay atong i-combine ng components. Ang Q na to is 30 nanocoulombs. So 30 times 10 raised to negative 9 over 4 pi 5 squared, which is ang R na to, times sa ato ang location, which is 0, 4, 3 minus sa atong origin nga location 0, 0, and 0 over sa ilang total na resultant, which is 5 plus ang kani asiya nga line charge, which is 10 nanocoulombs raised to negative 9 over 2 A1. So sunod, atong i-evaluate tanan, ang answer niya is kani siya, may muna siya 30 over 50 500 pi, kaya timesan pali mo og 5, kani na siya times upod sa imong coordinate 4, 3 plus 5ay nanocoulomb over meter squared. Final answer niya is 5.076 AY plus 0.0573 AZ and squared. Baka niya siya ang final answer.